2023, I find a child, a 15-20 days child, abandoned child in a railway station, whose mother was insane and begging in the railway station. My lord, I took away the child with the consent of the mother, and my lord, I feel, my lord, my mother.
The mother was insane, you said?
Yes, mother
Then
was.
how could she give consent?
No, it's not. Well, she is begging. Item number 6, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
State.
My lord, in
State.
2013, my lord, I got married, my lord, but my lord, due to some physical inability, my lord, I am unable to conceive. Now, my lord, as a result, not only my family members, as well as the villagers are cursing me. Even I was not allowed to enter into any auspicious occasion. Under such a circumstances, my lord, in 2023, I find a child, a 15-20 days child, abandoned child in a railway station, whose mother was insane and begging in the railway station. My lord, I took away the child with the consent of the mother, and my lord, I feel, my lord, my mother.
The mother was insane, you said?
Yes, mother
Then
was.
how could she give consent?
No, it's not. My lord, she is begging. My lord, bedini, my lord, the beggars, my lord, the
Beggars.
yes.
All right, so she is not insane.
Not insane, but she's a beggars.
Begging is something different, and the status of mind, the mental condition is something different.
Not insane, beggar. She's
Yes,
begging. My lord,
right then.
with her consent, my lord, I took away the child, and my lord, there is an attachment. Lordship, I have annexed a T1 at the photo.
When did this incident take
in
place?
2023, November 2023, in a
All right.
kicking night, I find the child in a railway station. Now, my lord, after 2 years, I nourish the child, my lord, there is a bonding of, my lord, I feel the motherhood with the child. Now, when, my lord, the question comes to admit the child into a school, I went to the block development office, and, my lord, to know the formalities, since we are not the biological father, biological parents, my lord. My lord, we have not suppressed anything. We have said that we are not the biological parents, and we want the necessary documents so that the child can be admitted in a school. But, my lord, unfortunately, my lord, the concerned block development officer, my lord, registered an FIR against us, and we are put in custody for 15 days. After getting interim bail, my lord, we are now, my lord, also filed a washing application that is pending. Now, my lord, the child is in, my lord, in home. What I am praying before your lordship, my lord, I have a twofold prayer. Number one, my lord, I made a representation before the authority, my lord, because, my lord, I did several mistakes. I don't know the procedure of law. I don't know how to adopt a child. I don't, my lord, these are the procedural mistakes. Apart from that, my lord, now, my lord, through a proper manner,
Now you want to adopt. This is
want
the
to
thing.
adopt. I made a representation.
Yes.
First, my lord, what I am praying, let my representation be considered sympathetically.
Where did you make the application?
Yes. Before the CWC, which is annexed.
Yes, 6. Respondent number 6.
Yes.
Yes, page 25. This is, my lord, my first prayer. And secondly, my lord,
Yes, secondly.
second prayer is, my lord, during this puja vacation, my lord, during this festive season, they are not allowing me, since there is an FIR registered against me, the home is not allowing me to meet with my child. What I am praying, my lord, during this festive season, I just want to meet with the child for an hour or, my lord, 2 hours during this festive season. My lord, kindly allow me.
All right, let me hear.
So, Your Ladyship, the first thing is that there are procedures of adoption mentioned in the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act that may be followed if she wants to adopt the child. Number one. Number two is, as far as one,
Why don't you guide the petitioner? Let
Yes,
the CWC guide the petitioner.
CWC, yes, they can guide the
Yes.
details of the whole procedure is there. One problem is factually incorrect submission has been made by, on behalf of the petitioner. There was suppression, there was forged document placed before the officers concerned, which led the officers to lodge a complaint, which translated into an FIR and thereafter a charge sheet before the court. They had forged the birth certificate. I have copies of those also if your ladyship wants to peruse it.
Is there a birth certificate? I was wondering whether there was a
Not
birth
happy.
cert. This is what I was wondering.
These are the birth certificates
All right.
which have been issued by some Ukra nursing home.
The
Certificate, etc. Certificate of birth.
the petitioner says that she was a beggar, took the child, could not have got a nursing home certificate.
Right.
It's impossible.
That is the problem. They appeared before the authority and produced this claiming
Did
to
not
be the
know
birth
it.
certificate.
Resorted to dishonest means. It
Yes,
could have
sir, I
been,
understand.
it could have been done
Very
very easily.
Yes, surrender the child before the authorities and then go
Yes,
follow
sir,
the
it-
procedure.
The CWCs regularly go on giving in
there is a
adoption these
procedure,
type
sir.
of children.
That I know, my lord.
Procedure is there. Now,
That is the reason I said
You've
that's why-
landed yourself up in trouble.
that is the
Yes,
problem. That has
absolutely, ma'am.
kind the head of all authorities. Now, I understand the prayers before your leadership are twofold today. Number one is visitation. I leave that upon your leaderships. My lord, I do not make any comments for that matter. But as far as, my lord, the custody of the child in the home is concerned, that is admittedly pursuant to the orders passed by CWC under
Hmm.
the Act.
Hmm.
That is appealable under the.
No, I don't think they are going to appeal.
No, my lord.
They only want the adoption to be
Because
done
the prayers are not made before your leadership, my lord.
regarding adoption.
I don't think those prayers are
But
made
just to
before your
consider my representation, I
representation is for release of child from CWC and placing them in custody of the petitioners. My lord,
Where is
stand
the
to be
adoption
corrected.
prayer? You've not made the prayer for adoption? Prayer is for grant of
25.
custody. Page 25 is for grant of custody. That is different. How can the custody be given to you?
can't be, my lord. It can't be.
Then make a proper prayer. The prayer is also not proper. This has been drafted not by the lady concerned, but by the advocate. If this is wrongly made, then how can the authority
Liberty is
Act-
granted to make the
Please come.
representation, but my lord, kindly give me the visitation, my
My
lord.
lord, they will be advised. I am sure now properly. Now, my lord, I see my learned senior colleague over here. Let them
Acha.
start afresh.
the petitioner